Yeah, we just bought papaya salad from Asian store right here. This is a Thai style. The Thai style, a little spicy. You just put there, and there's a rice noodle. You cook that, and then we got some cooked shrimp or the take out the shell already, and then this is squid right here. You cook that. You can buy them in a package, and then we just mix the papaya salad together with the rice noodle, and yeah, this should be yummy. So what kind of this food called?
Whatever you want to call.
Yeah. It's just a
Papaya salad with noodle.
papaya salad with noodle, shrimp, and squid, right?
Just mix it together.
Yeah, it should be tasty right here. Especially papaya salad is very, very. Now there go the shrimp.
Yeah.
Let's go the squid. You can buy all the squid. You can buy that in a
the
pack.
frozen package.
Yeah, the frozen package, and just just cook in a pan. And I'm just, oh, this should be good. Yeah, this papaya salad is one of my favorite, salad to eat. It's got all the spiciness, the you got like I think like what's that in the papaya? Like fermented crabs in there too, right? Papaya salad, chili pepper. Yeah, it's very spicy, and when you do this, it's very, very tasty.
Yummy.
Yeah, this should be yummy. Mix it all together, and you don't need to add any more ingredient because the papaya salad is already salty, spicy, tasty. So this should be good enough to eat right here. Just mix it all up with the noodle, and yeah, this could be a meal itself.
And then I have this one.
What else you have? Oh, that's a pork rind. There's a fried sliced pork skin, pork rind right there.
And put on top of it.
Yeah. Yeah, just
let it soak with the sauce.
yeah, let it soak with the sauce.
Ooh,
Yummy, yummy, yummy. Salivating just
yes, all good.
by watching this. It's a simple, they say if you don't want to make a papaya salad yourself, you just
It's
go
only
to
$6 for that container.
yeah, just go to Asian store right here for this container for $6 for papaya salad. Really tasty.
See, we got two.
Yeah, we bought two of them right here.
Still got one more with some.
Oh, yeah.
Just eat it plain.
Reasonable price. This is a Thai style. That's more like spicy. Yeah,
They have from mild, medium, hot,
Yeah, they have a
extreme. Oh,
Lao style. Yeah, this was Thai style. Thai style. I don't know how but we like Thai style better because it's more like tasty, and more
Depending on how people like it.
and more. And they ask you when they make the papaya salad for you, they're gonna ask you how spicy do you want? If you want like mild, medium, or hot.
Extreme.
Yeah. So Maya would be,
If you not eat hot,
maybe
don't try
one,
the extreme though.
yeah, one or two Thai chili pepper. If you want extreme, maybe 2, 3 of them.
Okay.
So in here you got the roasted peanut, you got long beans, you got tomato, you got cabbage. It's very tasty.
Yeah, a little bit of everything.
This should be yummy. See
You
that?
you can put some more as a bạc dưỡng Thái nữa as a like.
Where's the pork rind? Now you can eat this with pork rind right here. Put a cup of pork rind. Oh, this is. Top it off with pork rind. Oh, this is good. Some cabbage. Mm. Mm. This is very tasty. Mm. Mm. So simple to make. Like I say, if you don't feel like making, papaya salad, just go to one of those Asian store, grocery
On
store.
30.
Yeah, they just buy it. The container just $6. You can either have a Lao style or Thai style, and you just cook some rice noodle and just mix with it, and then cook some shrimp, some squid, and mix all together.
Whatever you want to put in that.
Really tasty. Eat it with pork rind. You don't need to add any more ingredient in there. That's it, because papaya salad is already good already. Simple to make. So thank you so much for watching. Give this recipe a try. It's very tasty. Like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.